Good morning, everyone. Today we're talking about how the first hours of your day can make or break your inner peace. It's easy to fall into habits that seem harmless but actually disturb our peace of mind. I'm here to share 10 things you might be doing every morning that could be stealing your calm. And don't worry, I won't ask you to do anything extreme. We're all about making simple, achievable changes here. So grab your morning coffee and let's embark on a journey to more peaceful mornings. First up, checking your phone as soon as you wake up. We're all guilty of it, right? But that immediate dive into emails and social media floods our brain with information overload. It's like opening the floodgates to stress before your day even starts. What if instead you spent the first hour of your morning in peace, without the digital world's intrusions? Imagine how much calmer and collected you'd feel. Skipping breakfast, a common mistake with a big impact. It's not just about quelling morning hunger. It's about fueling your body for the day ahead. Missing this essential meal can leave you grumpy and unfocused. How about taking a few extra minutes each morning to nourish your body? Even something simple like a fruit or a smoothie can make a difference. Overloading your to-do list can set you up for a day filled with anxiety. It's like setting yourself an impossible challenge every morning. Let's try a different approach. Prioritize 2 or 3 major tasks for the day. It's about focusing on what's important, not just what's urgent. Neglecting hydration is another peace stealer. Our bodies wake up dehydrated, so starting your day with a glass of water is crucial. It can boost your mood and energy levels more than you realize. Make it a habit to hydrate first thing in the morning. Your body will thank you. Skipping self-care in the morning rush is easy, but taking even a few minutes for yourself can set a positive tone for the whole day. Whether it's stretching, meditating, or just savoring your coffee, find what rejuvenates you and make it a non-negotiable part of your morning. Rushing through your morning can leave you frazzled. Waking up a bit earlier to avoid the rush can bring calmness to your routine. It might mean sacrificing some sleep, but the trade-off for a peaceful start is absolutely worth it. Ignoring your feelings in the morning can weigh you down. If you're feeling anxious or down, don't push those feelings aside. Take a moment to acknowledge them. It's not about finding immediate solutions, but about starting your day with honesty and self-awareness. Skipping physical activity might seem like saving energy, but even light exercise can energize and uplift you. Integrating some form of movement into your morning, be it a walk, yoga, or simple stretches, can significantly improve your mood and energy levels. Not making time for gratitude is a missed opportunity for joy. Starting your day by acknowledging what you're thankful for can shift your perspective and bring positivity. It's a powerful tool for maintaining peace and cultivating a positive mindset. Lastly, being too hard on yourself can ruin your mornings. Everyone has off days. Instead of dwelling on what went wrong, give yourself grace. Remember, it's okay not to be perfect, and a bad morning doesn't define your entire day. So these are the 10 morning habits to reconsider for a more peaceful start to your day. It's about small, intentional changes that can transform your mornings from chaos to tranquility. Implementing even a few of these can have a significant impact on your inner peace. Let's embrace these mornings with a positive attitude and a calm mind. Remember, peace starts within. Wishing you serene mornings ahead. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on living a peaceful and fulfilling life. Drop a comment and let me know which habit you're going to change in your morning routine. Stay peaceful, and I'll see you in the next video.